Guess what? I just came across this video in Hawaii of the scariest thing I've ever jumped off of. It was only because it was a slippery slope. And there was only about 10 foot of water below, and you had to jump out real far to not hit the rocks below. Here. See right here? I don't want to jump. I'm looking up. I'm like, can I go back up? I can't climb back up. It's slippery mud. I have to jump. And I finally jump. The only reason is because of the mosquitoes. I was up there for a few minutes not wanting to jump, and I was getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. So I finally just have to take the leap of faith.
Ready? Yeah. Yeah, baby.
Whatever, just hurry.